హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విద్యా టీవీ. ఈ పర్టికులర్ వీడియోలో మనం జనరల్ సైన్స్ సంబంధించిన కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దామండి. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నోన్ యాజ్ వుడ్ ఆల్కహాల్? విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నోన్ యాజ్ వుడ్ ఆల్కహాల్? ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ మిథనాల్, ఇథనాల్, propanol, butanol. And the answer is, which of the following is also known as wood alcohol? Answer వచ్చేసి option A, methanol. Methanol is also known as wood alcohol. Next question, how many pairs of ribs are there in human body? How many pairs of ribs are there in human body? The options are 10 pairs, 12 pairs, 14 pairs, 16 pairs. 10, 12, 14 and 16. And the answer is 12 pairs. Number of pairs of ribs in the human body are 12 pairs. Option B is the right answer. Next question, what is the SI unit of frequency? What is the SI unit of frequency? The options are second, watt, hertz, joule. The SI unit of frequency is C, that is hertz. SI unit of frequency is hertz. Next question, what is the source of energy in nuclear reactors which produces electricity? I'll repeat the question. What is the source of energy in nuclear reactors which produce electricity? The options are nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, gamma decay, none of the above. Gamma decay, none of the above. Therefore the answer is, the source of energy in nuclear reactors is nothing but nuclear fission. Option A is the right answer, nuclear fission. Next question, which of these chemicals is used as a water softening agent? Which of the chemicals is used as a water softening agent? The options are baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, slagged lime. Baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, slagged lime. The question is, which of these chemicals is used as a water softening agent? That is nothing but washing soda. That means option B is the right answer, washing soda. Next question, which of the following is the use of aspirin drug? Which of the following is the use of aspirin drug? The options are it reduces fever, helps in skeletal pain, helps in preventing heart attacks, all of the above. And the answer is, the use of aspirin is all of the above. It reduces fever, helps in skeletal pain, helps in preventing heart attacks. Therefore option D is the right answer. Next question, which plants grow under water stress conditions of deserts? Which of the following grows under water stress conditions? The options: epiphytes, xerophytes, cesiophytes, heliophytes. And the answer is option B, xerophytes. Xerophytes, that is option B is the right answer. Plants that grow under water stress conditions of deserts are xerophytes. Option B is the right answer. Next, which of the following functions is performed by the kidneys in the human body? The functions of kidneys in the human body: options: transportation, excretion, respiration, digestion. And the answer is, the function of kidneys in the human body is option B, which is excretion. Excretion is the right answer, that is option B is the right answer. Next, on which of these factors the buoyancy depends upon? On which of these factors buoyancy depends upon? The options are density of the fluid, volume of the fluid, both A and B, and none of the above. The buoyancy force depends upon the density as well as volume of the fluid. Density of the fluid as well as volume of the fluid. That means option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Next question. What is the internal restoring force acting per unit area of cross section of the deformed body called? What is the internal restoring force acting per unit area of cross section of deformed body called? The options: strain, stress, pressure, surface tension. And the answer is option B, stress. Answer is option B, stress. That means the internal resisting force acting per unit area is nothing but known as stress. That is option B is the right answer. Next question. In which of the following positions is the kinetic energy maximum in SHM? SHM means simple harmonic motion. In which of the following positions is the kinetic energy maximum in simple harmonic motion? The options are extreme position, mean position, can be at extreme or mean position, none of the above. And the answer is option B, mean position. So for the mean position, the kinetic energy is maximum in case of simple harmonic motion. Next question. What do we call the phenomenon of light being deflected when traveling obliquely from one medium to another? What do we call the phenomenon of light being deflected when traveling obliquely from one medium to another? And the options are refraction, reflection, dispersion, convergence. What do we call the phenomena of light being deflected when traveling obliquely from one medium to another? That is nothing but known as refraction. Option A is the right answer, refraction. Next question. Which of the following clearly describes the silverfish? Which of the following clearly describes the silverfish? The options are a fish, a wingless insect, an arthropod, a frog. And the answer is silverfish is nothing but a wingless insect. Option B is the right answer. Next question. Pacemaker is associated with which of the following body organ? Pacemaker is associated with which of the following organs? Options are liver, brain, heart, lungs. Liver, brain, heart and lungs. And the answer is option C, heart. Pacemaker is associated with heart. Next question. Which of the following is the largest mammal? Which of the following is the largest mammal? The options are whale, rhinoceros, elephant, human. And the answer is option A, whale is the largest mammal. Next one. Anemophily is pollination by birds, wind, ants, bat. Anemophily is pollination by wind. Option B is the right answer. Anemophily is pollination by wind. Next question. Memory loss would most likely be due to malfunction of which part of the brain? Malfunction of which part of the brain is memory loss? That is, options are medulla, cerebrum, cerebellum, pons. And the answer is option C, cerebrum. Memory loss is due to cerebrum. Malfunction of cerebrum. Right. These are the various questions related to general science. That's all for this video. Thank you.